Hello all, welcome to the day 32 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. Two schools P and Q decided to give prize money to their students for two games, hockey and cricket. The prize money per student is rupees X for hockey and rupees Y for cricket. School P awarded a total prize money of rupees 9,500 to 5 students in hockey and 4 students in cricket. School Q awarded a total prize money of rupees 7,370 to 4 students in hockey and 3 students in cricket. Question 1. Write the above information in the form of algebraic equations using x and y. The prize money per student is rupees x for hockey and rupees y for cricket. So the equation can be framed like this. Now for P, it is 5 students for hockey, that is 5x plus and 4 students for cricket. So 5x plus 4y is equal to the total amount is 9,500. For school Q, 4 students in hockey, that is 4x plus 3 in cricket plus 3y is equal to the total amount is 7,370. So these are the two equations according to the given scenario. Question number 2. Find the prize money per student for hockey. Let's solve these two equations. I prefer to do the elimination method. First equation into 4 gives us 20x plus 16y is equal to 38,000. The second equation times 5 gives us 20x plus 15y is equal to 7,370 into 5 gives us 36,850. On subtracting these two equations, x gets eliminated, y is equal to 1150. Now substituting the value of y in any one of these, I am going to put it in equation 1. 5x plus 4 times 1150 is equal to 9500. That is 5x is equal to 9500 minus 4600. 5x is 4900 and we get x as rupees 980. This represents the prize money for hockey. Question number 3. State which game has a higher prize amount per student and by how much? Y is rupees 1150 and x is 980. So since y is greater than x, prize money per student for cricket is the highest. By, and we have to give the difference. 1150 minus 980, that is rupees 170. Question number 4. Find the total prize money given if two students are awarded prizes in each game. The total prize if two students are awarded is 2x plus 2y. That is 2 times x is 980 plus 2 times 1150, which is 1960 plus 2300, which gives us 4260. So this is the total amount if two students were awarded prize in each game. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.